towards reckless abandon, and make sure that you're having fun out there. And I can't talk and create at the same time. Apparently, I'm staggering here. So let's just do an experiment. Okay, I think I'm already. Yeah, I don't even know if I'm here anymore. I could be in a second video. Am I in the second video? Does anybody know? Or am I still in the same video? For some reason, it won't tell me. Let me look. I can't tell. It just keeps recording. So I don't know if that passage of time, anything happened or not. Who knows? Well, we'll just see how it goes. Okay, I think we'll put the birdies on the outside. Maybe we'll put some little layers of something or others underneath. How about this? Contractor's invoice on roses. Yes, that's like leather and lace, for goodness sake. Okay, here we go. And then we'll put this here because I got more of these to make. All right, we'll try that. That's kind of cute. All right, yeah, found some more of these pretty scrapbook paper things that I don't know why I avoid them. Well, we'll just see how it goes. See how it goes. All right, making more of these. Here's a little one. Use some mathematical paper. No, you fold it the other way. You have to fold it this way. All right, what are you eating? What are you eating? Okay, so now the thing is he likes to eat the paper in the craft room, so I have to elevate all the paper. And one thing that I have forgotten to elevate is he actually chews it. He's not swallowing it anymore. He used to swallow it. Everything went down the pie hole when I first got him, but now he's a little more selective of what he actually swallows. Thankfully so. But I have a pile of magazines beside me here so that I can grab them and glue on them. And he found the pile of magazines because I stored them on the floor, kind of in between my trunk and the table leg. And it wasn't a very good hiding spot. Who are we kidding? Yeah, I could have done better on that hiding spot. So I don't want him to get sick or swallow anything he shouldn't. Okay, what is that? That's like oh, you're just gumming it. It's Edith Holden. Look at that. You're gumming Edith Holden? Oh, we have to talk. Yeah. Okay. I think he's crossed the line. Yeah. No, we're going to have a serious talk after that. Nobody's going to be getting away with gumming Edith Holden around these parts. No, she is our hero. She is a very talented wildlife artist from the late 1800s, early 1900s. And she died very young. If you don't know her story, she died, I think, in her 20s. And I think she was, I don't know if she was actually drawing or writing when she died, but she drowned in a creek. Well, it sounds a little suspicious if you ask me. Yeah, I think there needs to be more investigation into that one. Yeah, because, how does a, 24-year-old young woman drown in a creek? I mean, creeks, don't they come up to your ankles? I mean, I guess some creeks are, yes, some are deeper. Well, that's kind of cool. Well, let's do something with that. Sometimes the paper is a little fragile if you just leave it whole and put it in the back. That's a way around it. Is this video still going on? I have no idea. This is the ramblings of a crazy crafter at this point. Okay, put you over there. All right. Are we getting anywhere? Is there? Oh, look at this paper. That's a nice piece. I was, must have been coffee dyeing or ink dyeing that. That's cool. Let's put that there. How about some of this? No, we need more contrast. Yes, we could do that. All right, we can always tear it off at the bottom. Don't get worried. It won't be that long. I heard ya. It's like, no, she's not really gonna. Yeah, I am. How about that? That's kind of cool. This is a page from the Odyssey. Yeah, it's a very thin page, almost like a dictionary page or something. And sometimes you can get old plays and things like that. And sometimes you can take a sticker. If you're tired of fighting to get your stickers apart, you can just put them at the top and use them as a little border. And you don't have to peel the back off. No, there's no rules. That's right. See, here's another example of no rules in the junk journal world. Am I recording? I can't even see it. I don't have my glasses on. All right. Yep. All right. We'll go a little longer here and just see how this all pans out. Well, let's do another little fun layery piece. We'll start with you. We got a lot of this bright green. Holy macaroni, are you bright? Yeah. Some folks, I know they love the bright colors and everything. And I think I like some color, but I like a little more soft and muted. But I think I can do something with this. I can tone this baby down just because of what she's made of. That's still pretty bright, but it might serve a purpose one day, and we'll find one. Yes, we will. There we go. Over you go in the pile of to-be-sewns. To-be-sewns. Oh, here, I got a bunch of these. Let me make a bunch of little layery notebooks out of this. Can you see? I hope so. So yeah, Sunny is doing well. Okay, that's the other thing. When you forget, you don't know what else to talk about, you first do weather and then you default to pets. Okay, so Holly is Dandy. He is he's now beside the lovebirds, and they are doing a lot of interacting and talking back and forth. And I'm a little more careful with Holly because we have Sunny, but Holly gets taken out a lot of his cage, and Papa and Holly are bonded. They are like one. And so Holly goes in the shower with Papa every day. I know it's kind of weird, isn't it? But he does. He likes to go in the shower with Papa, and he has a little shower. And then he like hangs out in the bathroom while Papa's getting ready. And then, so he's probably in there like a good half hour or something. And then later in the day, he gets to come out again. And sometimes Papa will sit with him or take him outside. And we have a little screen lanai area where him and Papa will sit. And they'll have long conversations about what on earth Mother has gotten herself into here. And also, you know, I'm sure Holly says, like, you know, why'd you get a dog? Wasn't I enough? What? Why? And I have to explain to him that, yes, he is enough. And, but he's not furry. And I had to let him know there's nothing wrong with not being furry, but Mama needed a furry. And so, yeah. So I think I have to, if I can do this, I don't know if I can do this without muddying up the whole waters, but I'm going to try and show you what my little sunshine is up to right now. He is hiding like, you know that scene from E.T. where E.T. hides in the toys? Okay, hang on. Are you getting this? Yep. Total E.T. moment there, right? Yeah, got it. Okay, and we're carrying on. All right, so I got this one done. Nice little layeroo. Over there you go. What, you want to be something too? Come and make something of yourself, for goodness sake. Be sitting there like a little scrap on the table, getting in everybody's way. Okay, we'll just keep doing this. All right, okay, I'm stopping thinking. That's what I'm just making it too, it should be easy peasy. Okay, there we go. All donesy done. Oop, okay, we got quite a few. You know, I'm like doing this, and the scrap pile is still here. So there's got to be, you know, another way through all these scraps. I might have to take another bag to the garage. I know. But yeah, no, I won't. I will not leave them in there abandoned. No, they will have purpose, and they will become something wonderful. And I just need to have a clean desk every once in a while to create on. And you guys, you know what that's like. You're down with that, right? Once in a while, you just have to bring out the backhoe and clean off the desk. Because creativity will grow from a messy desk, and it'll grow from a clean desk. But I do like to clear the deck between projects. So I think that's as far as I'm going to take this right now. I'm going to say that my craft pile has yet again beaten me, but we have made, all right, let me show you, quite a few of these babies. Yeah. So I'm going to be sewing those, and that should be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys are having fun today with Reckless Abandon, and I have no idea if this is carrying on or I'm just talking to no one at this point. But big hugs, and I hope you're having fun, and make it a scrappy, papery, crafty kind of day where you're just gathering all your little, why do I have to always make notebooks? Why can't I just gather little pieces of no purpose? Like, somehow I feel like I have to call it a notebook in order to give it validity, but what if I just, I don't know, kind of like long clusters, just with what we have? Let's see how that goes. All right, let me try that. Because this is my mission, to use up every known piece of paper, so papers don't get ignored and think they're worthless. They have to know they have purpose. I mean, there could be things. Yeah, all right, that's for another video. All right, you guys. Big hugs. Have a happy, crafty day from me, Sunny, Holly, Leonardo, Happy, and Papa. And we will be talking with you soon and hanging out at the old Scrappy craft table. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.